All right, to call HTTP services, we use a Chrome extension called Postman. So if you haven't installed Postman before, search for Chrome Postman. Here's Postman. Simply add it to Chrome. Okay, done. Now you can open this from the apps menu here. Postman. Now here it's asking you to sign up for an account, but you don't have to do this. There's a link here taking me straight to the app. All right, now on this page, we can create a new HTTP request. So from this drop-down list, we set the type to a post request. We put the URL here. In this case, that's HTTP localhost. On my machine, I'm using port 3000 to host this application. API/courses. Now, we need to set the body of this request. From this list, select raw, and then JSON. So with this, we can put a JSON object in the body of the request. So let's add an object here and give it a name property. So name, we set this to new course. And then finally, send. Okay, if you scroll down, you can see the status of the request is 200, which means the request was handled successfully. And here's the body of the response. So ID is 4, because now we have 4 courses in our array, and this is the same name that we sent to the server. So this is how we test HTTP services using Postman. Now, in this implementation, we have assumed that there is an object with the name property in the body of the request. What if the client forgets to send this property or sends an invalid name, perhaps a name that is too short? That's where input validation comes into the picture, and that's the topic for the next lecture.